Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore the power of your chat menu, diving into contact insights and so much more. Let's get started. When you're in the chat menu, clicking on any lead will open up their contact details panel on the right side of your screen, giving you access to all their information. At the very top of this panel, you'll see the lead's name, their mobile number, and an icon displaying the name of the assigned team member. Just below the lead's name, you can view their origin country and their local time, which is super helpful for knowing the best time to respond. Next, you will find the icon for notes. When you click this icon, a drawer will open, allowing you to view all the notes created for this lead so far. Keep in mind, once a note is created, it cannot be deleted until the contact itself is deleted. To add a new note, click Add Note. Here, you have two options. You can either select a message from your ready-to-use note messages or choose to create an entirely new note. To create a new note from scratch, click on Write a New Note. You'll notice various statuses available to choose from for the lead, which helps provide a better indication of their current stage. To add a follow-up for a note, we can switch on the follow-up toggle, then select the specific date and time for that follow-up. After writing your note, click Save Note to create it, complete with the follow-up for your chosen date and time. Once the note is saved, you can view it either in the drawer that opens or at the bottom right below the Notes section. Once a follow-up is completed, you can click on Mark as completed to indicate its completion. This will then show a green completed indication right alongside the follow-up. On the Orders tab, if a catalog is connected, click Create Custom Order to create a new order for a lead. Fill in the details. For a detailed understanding, refer to our WhatsApp catalog video. Now, if you wish to call the user, simply click on the Call icon. A drawer will then open, displaying all the calls made to this lead, including who made the call. Plus, you can directly access the call recordings for calls made on WhatsApp right here. If the user has granted permission for your business to make calls, you will see an indication showing until when you have the permission to call them. Please note, the user must give your business permission to call, otherwise, your business won't be able to initiate calls to that user. You'll see two options here, either to call via your device or to call via WhatsApp. Remember, the user has the choice to disallow you from calling based on their preferences. You can also view the indication for the permissions granted by the user directly within the chat section. Next, add tags to leads for easy filtering. Click Add Tags and select from your existing tags. For more on creating and using tags, see our dedicated video. If you wish to create a new tag, you can do so directly by clicking on the blue icon located right beside the Tags option. Then, simply add the tag name under the New Tag option. Next, you can also edit a pre-created tag by clicking on the Manage Tag tab. On EasySocial, we use lead data fields to save important lead information. These fields can be updated automatically via chatbot, so you don't have to enter data manually. For more details, watch our video on lead data fields. If you wish to manually edit the contact information of a lead, simply click on the Edit option located to the right of the lead's name. You can then edit the information as per your requirement and click on the Update button. You'll then see that the lead's information has been successfully updated. Please note that anytime a team member edits information for a lead, this action will appear as a note under the Notes section. This ends the series on Chat Menu. Thank you for joining us as we explored its powerful features, from contact list to managing conversations, insights, and much more. We hope these tutorials help you leverage its full potential.